Today I will be doing a video on 4D flowers. You will need acrylic and acrylic liquid, and I'm going to start by making the petal.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
You want to start by rolling the first petal up so you have a foundation to work with the petal. Now we're starting on the actual petal. You want to make sure it's saturated enough so you can manipulate it like you need to. And also, I messed up on this one. Moving the brush back and forth makes it easier to get it off the table. And I'm going to wrap it around the base of the flower. And we're going to continue to do that until you get a full rose. You want to try to make the bottom of the petal flat as possible so it'll sit up straight when you wrap it around the rest of the flower. Also, don't get discouraged if you can't get it to do right. It did right the first 2-3 flowers I made. The video I actually did for it took me a good little minute to get it to do like I wanted it. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the end screens at the end of the video. I use the tweezers to help manipulate the saturated petal to make it look more like a rose. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe,